let me introduce myself and my colleagues. My name is Agnesia Misal Claudis Rapati as speaker 1, Nur Halimah Lubis as speaker 2, Nur Sita Fauzia as speaker 3, Idi Widianingsi as speaker 4, and finally Christina Sijabat as speaker 5. And our supervisor, Uncle Karta Atmaja. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, today we would like to talk about the biography of Martin Luther King Jr., who was a pastor and activist who became the spokesperson and leader of the civil rights movement from 1954 to 1968. I Have a Dream is the opening line, one of the most iconic 1963 speeches of all time by the late Martin Luther King, known by the acronym MLK. The following are the points that we will cover in this presentation. Firstly, Martin Luther King Jr.'s childhood and family. Second, the life journey of Martin Luther King Jr. Third, that of Martin Luther King Jr. Before entering the first topic, if this something missing from our presentation, friend can add and also ask if there is something unclear in the comment column. Happy listening and watching our presentation. Thank you.
Martin Luther King Jr. Childhood and Family. I Have a Dream is the opening line of one of the most iconic speeches of all time by the late Martin Luther King. Known by the acronym MLK, born in Atlanta, Georgia on January 15, 1929, Martin Luther King Jr. was a pastor and activist who became spokesman and leader of the civil rights movement from 1954 to 1968. He was known for demanding civil rights through violence and civil disobedience in accordance with Christian teachings and was inspired by the peaceful activism of Mahatma Gandhi. King was the son of Martin Luther King, H.R. and Alberta Williams King, who was actually named Michael at birth, and was only 5 years old when his father, also named Michael, was inspired by the work of German Protestant Reformation leader Martin Luther and decided to rename Tambot. King's father was also pastor and a strict father who fought for civil rights, having witnessed his father fight against facial segregation and harassment. It is not wonder that King followed in his father's footsteps. On June 18, 1953, Coretta and Martin were married by Daddy King on the lawn of Coretta's parents' house in Marion, Alabama 16 months after they met and had 4 children from their marriage, namely 1. Martin Luther King, 3. 2. Yolanda King, 3. Dexter Scott King, and 4. Bernard King.
The life journey of Martin Luther King Jr. Martin Luther King Jr. was the son of a Baptist minister. He attended segregated public school in Georgia. Graduating from high school at the age of 15, he received the BA degree in 1948 from Morehouse College, a distinguished the Negro institution of Atlanta from which both his father and grandfather had graduated. After 3 years of theological study at Kaiser Theological Seminary in Pennsylvania, where he was elected president of a predominantly white senior class, he was awarded the BD in 1950. 1951. With a fellowship won at Crozer, he enrolled in graduate studies at Boston University, completing his residence for the doctorate in 1953 and receiving the degree in 1955. In 1954, King became pastor of a Dexter Avenue Baptist Church in Montgomery, Alabama. He led the Montgomery bus boycott in 1955. After the arrest of Rosa Parks, who refused to give up her seat to a white passenger, the boycott lasted 385 days and led to a Supreme Court decision banning racial segregation in public transportation. In 1957, King and others founded the Southern Christian Leadership Conference (SCLC) to promote civil rights through nonviolence. He was inspired by the teachings of Mahatma Gandhi and applied the principle of nonviolence in his struggle.
King is known for his "I Have a Dream" speech delivered on August 28, 1963 in Washington, D.C., in front of an estimated 250,000 people. The speech called for an end to racism and racial discrimination in the United States. In 1964, King was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize for his efforts in fighting racial injustice through nonviolent action. He was also involved in campaigns against poverty and the Vietnam War. Death of Martin Luther King Jr. Toward the end of his life, he began to focus on poverty and the Vietnam War. He fell out with his liberal allies after delivering his 1967 Beyond Vietnam speech. G. Edgar Hoover branded King a radical and made him a target of the FBI's COINTELPRO surveillance program beginning in 1963. In 1968, King planned a popular occupation of Washington, D.C. under the title Poor People's Campaign, but he was silenced by James Earl Ray. Unfortunately, on April 4, 1968, Martin Luther King Jr. was assassinated in Memphis, Tennessee. His tragic death sparked a wave of protests and riots in cities across the United States. His legacy continues to be remembered, and Martin Luther King Jr. Day is commemorated every year in honor of his contribution to the fight for civil rights equality. He was posthumously awarded the Presidential Medal of Freedom and the Congressional Gold Medal.
This is the conclusion of Martin Luther King Jr. as an important figure in the history of the civil rights struggle in the United States. Born on 15 January 1929 at Atlanta, Georgia, he grew up in a religious family committed to social justice. Highly educated, he earned a doctorate at Boston University and was known for his nonviolent approach inspired by Mahatma Gandhi. King led important actions such as the Montgomery bus boycott and founded the Southern Christian Leadership Conference. His famous speech, "I Have a Dream," symbolizes the struggle against racism. In 1964, he received the Nobel Peace Prize for his dedication. However, his struggle came to a halt after he was assassinated on 4 April 1968 in Memphis, Tennessee. King's legacy lives on through the observance of Martin Luther King Jr., the posthumous honors, and his inspiration for equal rights movement around the world. He is remembered as a leader who fought for justice, peace, and equality for all human beings. So, here is our presentation of the biography of Martin Luther, an important activist in the world. What do you think? Quite interesting, isn't it? Don't forget to watch other interesting videos on our YouTube channel. That's all, and thank you everyone.